This song is very near and dear to us. We're old friends.
Pearl Necklace Orchestra, unite.
I'm not gay, neither am I, technically. But if I had to make love to a man, I'd fuck this guy. I'm not talking about a one-nighter, no, no, no. I'm not talking about prison. I mean, if things turned out just right and just right. A certain circumstance had arisen for him blow. His girlfriend left him, oh, she was cheating, bitch. I called Murray up for an emergency meeting. That's when he called me up, 'cause I'm his best friend. He said, Murray, can you bring all of the sadness to an end? Oh, oh, oh. And it started with a glass of Zinfandel, and I felt my fingers tingle. Well, look outside as it began to sprinkle. Let me hear a sprinkle, Vinny. And just when I thought that nothing could ease the pain, oh, 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 I broke out 2 flute glasses and we drank mimosas in the rain. Mimosas in the rain. Freshly squeezed orange juice and champagne. Mimosas. And we were sitting on a pier looking out over the Pacific. And we talked about my relationship and I got specific. He said, thanks for being here. I said, buddy, I'll always be around. We had 5 more mimosas and I woke up with my pants down. And I thought I had gone insane in the membrane. But we did not do it, didn't do it in vain. Why did you? I was wasted. You were begging me. You were begging me. Did it after drinking mimosas in the rain. Yeah, mimosas in the rain. Orange juice and champagne. Mimosas in the rain. Now all my life I've had 1 foot in the closet and the other one on the stiletto heel. Wow. All my life I've had 1 foot in the closet and the other one on a banana peel. I think their shoe bits were light in the loafers. Oh, hey. Now I can't believe we had unprotected sex all night long. Bad idea. Oh, John Murray, if that ain't right, buddy, I don't ever wanna be wrong. My ass has never been so sore. I should not have let you in the back door. And why did we do it, Johnny? What were we thinking? All I remember was drinking mimosas in the rain. Mimosas in the rain. With a little bit of pulp now, it's orange juice and champagne. Mimosas. Now it's okay, we were gay for just a night, and it's alright, and it's okay. We were gay for just a day, and we went back to being good friends. Best friends. And we'll let somewhere deep in our subconscious. And I will never Roger another man again. Unless we drink mimosas in the rain. That's the only condition, I swear to God. Mimosas in the rain with a low acid, orange juice and champagne. Mimosas in the rain.
Let me hear that pizzicato.
Thanks a lot for coming out tonight.
Yeah, thank you for coming out tonight. It's gonna be classic.
Thanks to Bear and Vaughn.
Thanks to Bear and Bone.
Might be sprinkling by the time we leave. We'll see what happens.